frequently asked questions regarding your visit to Baguio.
Are minors allowed? Yes, minors are allowed but they should be accompanied by adults. And no swab test needed for minors as well.
Pwede ba yung mga babies?
Yes, pwede din. Kasi upon entering the hotel, we can see a lot of kids and babies around. So, pwede siya. Paano pag may kasama? Sila na lang ba magre-register online ng isahang QR code or QTP na lang? No, everyone is required to register online. And strictly no QTP, no entry at the border. About swab test, you can be swabbed before entering Baguio as long as taken within 72 hours prior to arrival. Pwede rin sa Baguio na mismo magpa-swab. What if fully vaccinated na? Magpapa-swab test pa rin ba? I'm not entirely sure with this but need pa rin ata magpa-swab test because they require yung negative antigen test result. Ilang oras bago makareceive ng QR code or yung QTP? Depends sa dami na nagre-register because they only allow 3,000 tourists per day. What if nag-positive ka? Saan ka dadalhin? I'm not entirely sure with this because we haven't encountered or we haven't heard anyone na nag-positive tapos dinala sila sa kung saan. I don't think if papauwiin nila or no. 24 hours ba open ang triage? As far as I know, yes.